Hey guys, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So today we are gonna do a little takedown video. I got a lot of requests, especially on my TikTok channel, how to take this style down. It is just a regular crochet, so like to take it down is just like how you'd take down any other hair, unless like you wanted to preserve the hair. Then obviously you wouldn't cut it out, you take it out differently. So I kind of thought about which way I wanted to do it, because I'm like, should I show you guys how to take it out to preserve it, or how to take it out if you don't really care and you're just done with the hair? So I'm gonna actually do both. I'll do a few showing you how to take it out. It's out of breath. I'll do a few showing you how to take it out without like cutting the hair, so you can reuse it if you want to, or just to cut it out. I don't plan on reusing it. Like, I am exhausted at this point. I just want it out, and rarely do I like reuse crochet hair. You can, because the hair is definitely reusable. But for me, like, I feel like I always want to try something new anyway, so I don't end up like reusing something. So I won't be reusing it, but yeah, if you guys want to. It's such a gloomy day, by the way. If you live in Florida, you know how the summers are here. It's just so rainy all the freaking time and gross. Like, I hate rain. I'm such a, like, my mood is dependent on the weather type of person. Show you guys how to do that. Any other life updates? I went to the OB today and my baby is ready to go. He's in the right position. I am tired though. I've been saying I was gonna film this video for about 2 weeks now, because I wanna still post like my weekly videos and try to keep up with it, and even have the videos kind of like collected. So once I do give birth, I know I'm probably definitely not gonna film. At least I have like some content to keep sharing with you guys. So I literally just had to like drag myself today, and I'm like, one, I'm ready to take this hair out and try something different that'll probably make me feel better. And two, I need to film this video. And part of me just wanted to take it out without filming it, but I'm like, no, you guys have asked so much and I just feel bad doing that. So let me just get my scissors, do it on camera. And yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this already. I've had the hair in for three weeks now. Yeah, 3 weeks, give or take, which is typically how long I keep my crochet braids in. I mean, the longest I'd go is 4 weeks, but I wouldn't go past that. Some people like to go to 6 weeks. Me personally, I feel like it just starts looking grungy then. But this is a style, because it's like these like boho type twists, you can get away with it. But yeah, I mean, usually after 2 weeks, really, I'm ready to change my hair up. So, and like bring a new style to you guys. And I have a few wigs that I wanted to show you guys. So I wanted to get those in before I put them braids in, because we're just gonna have braids for delivery. It's probably gonna take me two days to do it. But yeah. So with that being said, let me get my supplies, which all you need is just a pair of scissors and your handy dandy fingers. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. I look like buckwheat right now, but I didn't take the plaits down because I do have places to go this weekend, and I don't know if I'm gonna wash my hair right away, to be completely honest. So I still wanted kind of something semi-flat that I could put my wig cap over and put a wig on, just in case I don't get around to washing it or anything. So I'm like, let me just keep these cornrows in, and I've been doing that sometimes. And my mom braided it down last time, so she got it a lot flatter than I would normally get it. If anything, I might just wash it with the cornrows. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I feel so weird ending the video just looking like crazy like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.